Well, hello there. Welcome once more to Kwankyewaa's kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I'd like to say a very warm Akwaaba to you. Today, I'm sharing with you a very simple recipe, which I know you are going to love. This is going to be just simple shrimp skewers. We are going to be using these jumbo shrimp. I have here marinade for the shrimp, and this is our green chili sauce, which I recently shared the recipe with you. Perfect, delicious on its own. You could use it without adding anything else. It has a lot of herbs and spice and a lot of pepper, so it's a little bit on the spicy side. But I'm also gonna go ahead and add just 2 fresh cloves of garlic and basil, just about this much. Just chop it up and add it to the marinade, just to bring out extra flavor in our shrimp skewers. And that's pretty much it. Very simple. I know you will love this. So let's go ahead and do some cooking. So I'm just gonna chop up this basil, chop it up, you know, as thinly as I can, and it goes on our shrimp. Yeah, lots and lots of basil. I'm just going to add some salt, but you have to remember that the green chili sauce already has salt, so just a little bit of salt. Probably this is too much. I'm just going to leave a little bit. That should be enough. I'm just going to grind some peppercorn on here, just like that. About half a teaspoon. Go ahead and press my garlic. That minces it up pretty good. So just 2 cloves, just like that. Beautiful. So I'm just going to add some green chili sauce here. This is just so perfect for this purpose. It already has some coconut oil in here, or whatever oil you use to make yours. I think this is just enough. I'm going to save this to baste or whatever, or probably just serve it with it when it is done. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up. Make sure beautiful, gorgeous marinade coats every part of your shrimp. This smells so good. The smell of basil, as well as all the ingredients in this sauce, really smells like pesto. Like really, it feels like I'm just cooking it with pesto. This is gonna be so good. I'll be using my stainless steel skewers to do this today. You can use wooden skewers as well, but if you're going to use wooden, I tend to like the ones that are flat because it helps the meat to stay on without twirling or anything like that. So I'm just going to go like this, put it through the head and then to the midsection, just like that. I'm trying to be coordinated, which is hard. I'm very not coordinated. So yeah, I'm gonna probably put about 4 on each skewer. All done. I'm gonna continue the same process until we're done. Putting everything on the skewer. See, so not even. Like, I feel like they deceived me telling me this is supposedly extra jumbo actually, but well, whatever. So I forgot to mention that I purposefully left the tails of the shrimp on. I think it is beautiful and more presentable that way. So I have just 3 more pieces left, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and make 5 on 3 of them, since it's not 4 and I have no extra skewer anyway. So I'm just gonna fill these up. So I preheated the grill pan while I was putting the shrimp on the skewers, and it's hot enough now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start placing them on to grill. So this will cook for about 3 minutes on either side, so a total of 6 minutes tops. It's all you need. You flip it over after the first 3 minutes, or when you think it's looking pink like it is right now, coming almost to the surface, just flip it over and let the other side cook too. Turn them while it's pink and gorgeous like this. So I think my shrimp could use a little bit of basting, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply the remaining green chili sauce on it. Look at how gorgeous this is. Just flipping them over so I can apply some of the rest of the marinade on this side too. And that's pretty much it. And simple like that. Our shrimp is ready. Just look at how beautiful this is. So gorgeous. You can have it just like that. You can put it on a salad, you know, just pull them off the skewers onto your salad. You can have it with the meal. It's gonna be beautiful appetizer for your parties, you know, when the world comes back to normal. This is just gorgeous, gorgeous. And the taste, the flavors, you just need to try this. Kindly look up my green chili sauce so you can make this. Such a beautiful, beautiful blend on it. You know, it's just so good, so good. This was really, really well enjoyed. So I served this with jollof, and boy, what a delight it was. This was a big, big hit with us all. I actually made 2 pounds of shrimp, and believe you me, by the time we got up from the table, every one of it was gone. There was nothing left. So yes, I'm left with finding something else for us to eat with the rest of the rice. That is how good it was. The kids just tore it up. It's so good. This is good. Very good. I need to take another one. So good. Try this. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and share this video. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.